so it's unboxing time. You guys love these videos. I love these videos, obviously, because I'm getting gifts or opening my mail, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. Let's do it. First up, we have this guy, okay? This is from one of my favorite jewelry brands, and I think I know what it is because she told me what she's sending me. They are from Studio Metallurgy. They have the most amazing jewelry. Okay, so you guys remember I did a safety pin earring DIY? So yeah, so she has the most gorgeous safety pin earrings. Like, look at these. Like, they are so pretty and I love them. They're like edgy and fun, and I feel like I want to wear them right now only. It's a good thing I'm not wearing any jewelry. How cool are these guys? All made in India. I am in love. Thank you so much. The next one is from Hidesign. I have opened the outer layer already and it is super cute. It's like a little green keychain. Like, how cute is this? Like, you know, this takes me back actually to my childhood. I remember like my grandmother used to have one of these and like I used to love the fact that it opened out into this. This is just super cute. Thanks guys. Next one is Amazon, which is obviously my own parcel, but I order a lot of stuff so I never know what's coming on. So it is a surprise. Nothing exciting guys. These are just medicine boxes that I ordered for my dad. So in my vlog you guys saw that I use medicine like pill boxes for him and stuff, and I was actually looking for options to link for you guys, and I found these and I thought these are much nicer than the one I have, so maybe I want to like, you know, kind of upgrade to that, but I feel like this is going to be a lot more work because you open this, then you open this, and I'm not so sure my dad's gonna be happy. Keep or return. Next up, we have something from one of my favorite brands, Etude. What do we have? Okay, I think they are my favorite lipsticks ever, guys. Yes, fixing tint. What are the shades? Rose, cranberry plum, this I don't have, and ginger milk tea, which I finished. So yeah, restocking, very happy. Thank you guys. These are actually like some of the best lipsticks ever, and these are the matte ones, guys. You know, like you can put this on and like it just won't budge. Like, these are just so good. Like, I would 100% recommend these. You've seen them in my favorites videos, in my top lipsticks, in a lot of videos, because they're just really good. So thank you Team Etude. Love these. This one looks fancy. I think this is actually a fashion week invitation. Yes, it is. I am not wrong, but it's really beautiful, guys. Look at this. So there's a cute little bag, which is really cute. Which is perfect for like a night out and like with just your phone and stuff. There's a bow tie, which I think would be really cute for marzipan. And what do we have here? Napkin rings. Really pretty. Thank you. Next one is this one. No clue what this is, but also for those of you wondering about my fancy cutter, I got it off Amazon and I will link it below with everything else from this video. I just really love this cutter. Like, I'm very happy with it. Like, I had that big guy, but that really intimidates me and scares me. This is sharp, but it's small and it's kind of nice. You know what I mean? Like, it gets the job done. Oh, this is really pretty. This is from Yavi. Like, look at the detailing on this. Like, this is just so beautiful. It's a puzzle, guys. You guys know I'm really into puzzles, and I've taken to kind of like puzzling quite a bit. Actually, I haven't bought a puzzle in a while. So yeah, there's a scarf, which is really nice and pretty. Just the other day I was thinking I don't have enough scarves, so this is just really pretty. And there's a puzzle. Thanks guys. What do we have here? This is from 2.0. It's a 3-in-1 hairstyling spray, which is actually really nice because I can use this when I kind of Dyson my hair or when I tong my hair now with my new curler. Thanks, guys. Okay, next up we have an H&M parcel. Now, this is my own parcel, guys, but I just ordered this recently because I needed some basics and there was an offer on for members, so I got stuck to the bag, literally. Like, look at this. So let me tell you what I got. So I got a couple of things, basically just ganjis and some bra type things, because I like the way their ganjis work. So this is also H&M. A lot of you keep asking me where I wear my basic vests from, ganjis from. They're usually 99% H&M because I feel like they're affordable and like not exorbitant. Like I can't do a really expensive ganji, you know what I mean? Like I like sasta ganjis. Like look at this. So this is just really cool, really nice for summer. The fabric is nice and soft and I like this like worn out look, you know, so got this one. And they had like offers, as I said. So, I mean, I know this is not a haul, but that's kind of why I got what I got. It wasn't like, oh, I'm going to just go randomly buy. And then the next one actually I just got because, let me tell you why. This is why. Because it's orange. But again, just a really nice basic ganji, you know, like I was like, I just like ganjis for my everyday with my jeans. Like this is me, I live in ganjis and jeans. And then I ordered these, which were, ye kya hai? Ye bhi ganji hai kya ek aur? Maybe I went a little overboard with the ganjis, but actually I use these every day, you know, so it's not that big a deal. No, this is a tube. Okay, so this I got basically to wear under my blazers, or when I'm shooting very often where I just need a tube, you know, I usually tuck my ganji into my bra and stuff. So I was like, I'm just getting a basic tube for that, nothing fancy. And then these are the two really soft bras I have. So I had actually two of these before, which I used to use for like under my sheer tops, like they were like little bralettes. But they are so comfy that I just saw they launched these again and I thought, why not get a black and a nude since I wear them like literally every single day and I live in those like, you know, baggy t-shirts with these and they're really comfy. So yeah, I ordered two of these. So that's all the random stuff that I bought from H&M. Two ganjis, a tube top and two bras. This next guy is from Wearified. Okay, so Anam sent me this and I'm really sorry Anam if you're watching this. This came in February but it was lost in all this stuff here in this room because we've been doing a lot of storage here while our work goes on. So I just recently discovered this package and I was like, oh my god, I haven't even opened this. So here goes. What is this? Oh, this is the Dream Blender. Oh, okay. I can't wait to use this. This looks and feels really soft actually through this. Wow, that is really soft. There's a black one and then there's a pink one. They're both really soft and I can't wait to use these. Thank you, Anam. Next up, another one that I can cut through. Oh, that I got. Okay, this is Anamika Khanna. What do we have? This is exciting. I can hear some ting. Ooh. Oh my god, these are so cool. Okay, so they are like little cups and this is so nice. I really like this. It says everything was, everything is, everything will be AKOK on the inside. That is so cool. And this is going to be actually perfect addition to my wrist. You guys know I love cuffs, so I'm going to add these to my usual stack. Thank you. Another Amazon parcel. What could this be? I'm sure it's something mundane and pointless that I've ordered. Oh, pens. Yeah. So you guys know I'm a fan of Pentel Energel and it's my pen of choice. Like I love it as a pen. Recently I realized I'd gone through my whole stock. Usually on the weekends when I go to a stationery shop and get more pens, but he uses more blue, I use more black, so I got blue and black, and this, my friends, is the best to write with for like everyday stuff, exams. I did so many exams with this pen in law school and stuff like that also. Best pen. Biggest one. Now I just opened this when we were shooting earlier. I don't know what's inside because everything is still packed. So, oh my god, wow, there's my photo, guys. This is really sweet. This is from Meeraki Prints. Ritika has sent me a really sweet note, which is really sweet. And there's just so much stuff in here. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is a lot of stuff, firstly. I I don't even think I have place on my table for this much stuff, guys. Wow, let's see what we have. Okay. Okay, I've got everything. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this and get this back and show you guys what I have. Okay, so there's so much stuff. Okay, what is this? First up, oh, this is like a zipper. How nice. And we have a whole bunch of things here. So there are lots of candles and there's some stationery. There's another lovely note. This is just so sweet. I'm going to read all this and go through everything that you've sent me because there's so much stationery. There's like notebooks, there's a calendar, and this is a lot of stuff. Thank you. And then what do we have here? Oh, this is a sweatshirt. Treat yourself with kindness. That is so sweet. And I'm actually going to a cold place so I can actually use these. Thank you. We have one more. This also feels very soft and fluffy. Ta-da! Love, 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 love these. Thank you so, so much. So guys, those were all the packages I had to unbox today. Thank you to everyone that sent me stuff and thank you to everyone that's watching. I will link all the lovely brands that sent me stuff in the description for anyone that's interested. Comment below and tell me which was your favorite package from today's video and I will see you guys soon. Bye!